Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Well, that's the normally station never end. See, hey, every day, new style. These are brothers. Biafra United Media and News. Abba, this guy too much, abeg. He's too much. The way he used to say it, hey, nothing but the truth. Do you know that he has opened the eyes of a lot of people? Like a lot of people that are saying that Simon Ekpa is this, they should crucify him. To my greatest surprise, they are not saying that Simon Ekpa planned the arrest. Abba, why are they confusing themselves like this? But this our brother, he analyzed it for us in a way we are going to understand. Please sit back, listen to him. Make sure you share this video and also check on him to complete the latest update. Thank you, and I'll be right back.
The publicity they have given to us with the Biafran people, the publicity they have given to us is so amazing. And I want to also use this opportunity as well to actually address or try to make it more enlightenment about broadcast I made earlier in the morning today, when I was actually talking about how people who told us or who break the news telling us Master Simon Ekpa was arrested and how he's on his way to prison is now doing U-turn. Every one of them is doing U-turn. I mean, every one of them. Those people who carried Master Simon Ekpa arrest for their head is now doing U-turn. And it is very, very important that we do this more clarification about these people. And one of the amazing things these people have did for us, that like I said in the morning or broadcast I made earlier today, I said the publicity these people have given us, maybe we would have been like paying medias to promote the declaration of Biafra. But the Prime Minister, man Simon Ekpa, is one of the top-notch man. He said, I know how to go about it, and I know how to make them talk, and I know how to make them right. Biafra Prime Minister man Simon Ekpa told us. Now, when you look at what is this particular picture and the handle of the page that posted this picture, you will find out that he's now like this dude seemed to fake his arrest. And in the morning or the broadcast I made earlier today, I said that anybody that can come up or that can come down and show us with the Biafran people where Biafra Prime Minister claims that he was arrested or claims that he was abducted, that he claims that he was sent to prison, just like Emeka Gift, this particular one. Emeka Gift was one of the toppest people that were so much happy posting it. He made a lot of video concerning this arrest. And now, if you look at this particular one right now, you will find out that it's a 9-hour now since morning. 9-hour, he posts this, saying that it seems that this dude fake his arrest. And this is what I will say in the morning. If anybody can be able to provide where the Biafra Prime Minister said that he was arrested or where he posted it, then we will know what to say. But as long as Biafra Prime Minister never come out and announce that he was arrested, and the Biafra Prime Minister did not come out and say he was arrested, so as long as Biafran government did not say anything and the Biafra Prime Minister did not post anything, the response we have for these people is that we know you people criminality, we know you people propaganda. It's just that when the propaganda you people bring, if it don't work for you people will do U-turn. Now no Biafra Prime Minister no even speak yet too. You not even write yet. You not even say anything yet. But you people are now doing U-turn. Everybody is now running back. Hey, hater. Everybody is now running hater, returning. Biafra watching that side. That one has been saying it that this guy he fake his arrest. Who is faking the arrest? Who told you? Have Simon Ekpa come out and say I was arrested? Have you posted? Have Biafran government? Which is if Biafra Prime Minister is not there, the Biafran government will be there. Have they come out and post where Simon Ekpa was arrested? Let's just forget about interrogation or whatever you might call it. That Biafra. See, let me tell you. You see what happened right now. Let me give you people the intel of what just happened. Although you people take it propaganda to do your stupidity, which God later used you people promote Biafra declaration, second declaration, so massive that maybe Biafran government would have paid people, or Biafran government would have paid some media to carry it. You people promote it with with your stupidity and with thinking that Simon Ekpa they have caught him, and you were thinking that, and you were actually doing it in the name of tarnishing image of Simon Ekpa, not knowing the man said, I know how to press the button, that when I press it, it will get to a certain place that he wants, and he did it. So now let's talk about the arrest. Actually, you claim everybody from the so-called DOS, everybody is so much happy. Everybody is so much happy. I mean, to the extent all the criminal medias were writing it, were posting it. Everybody was interested in the story of the Biafra Prime Minister arrest. Everybody was so much interested, and everybody was happy. Especially the so-called the IPOB Nigeria. Every one of them was happy. Not until, I don't know, you see in this life, anything propaganda, anything you know that this is not right, leave it. Anything you know say this is lie, I'm lying. Once you know say you yourself you are lying, leave it. It's not going to take you anywhere. Or even though say say this thing, let me just try my own. Once you know say this thing, you don't know the intel, or you don't know the head and the tail of whatever you are saying, keep quiet, because you're going to disgrace yourself at the end of the day. And that is what exactly that have happened to these criminal DOS members, all of you people. You people are the one that came up and told us that Simon Ekpa has been arrested, and they're not even asking question that Simon Ekpa has been taken. He's on his way to prison. Emeka Gift and Biafra Child, all of you people, these criminals, all of you people told us, because somebody like me, I never come and tell you say Simon Ekpa was arrested, and I have not seen any Biafran government official that have come up and say Simon Ekpa has been arrested. I believe that there will not be any place a Biafran government lovers or the Biafran government official. I believe that there's no anywhere they post it that Simon Ekpa has been arrested. I can bet my life on that. There's no anywhere you see Biafra Prime Minister have posted that yes, Simon Ekpa has been arrested, our Prime Minister has been arrested. There is no anywhere you can see it. But the so-called DOS, they were the one that came up with the idea of, okay, now that Simon Ekpa is not there, or now that Simon Ekpa have no tweet for 2 days, let us actually bring our propaganda, or let us actually use this opportunity to make some gullible ones to think that yes, everything have ended, just like they did to Mazenam Dekana. And one thing they saw, or one thing you people saw, is that the people piloting the Biafran government affairs is one of the people that we ever needed in Biafran struggle. And that is the reason why all your propaganda, all of you bring from top, it later ended with you people. The propaganda you bring comes up. You people are later the one debunking it. Right now, you bring about Simon Ekpa have been arrested, and now you are the same people who is now coming to write again that Simon Ekpa is faking his arrest. Now show us where Simon Ekpa told you or write or give a voice note that has been arrested. Now all of you people criminals are just writing, talking one nonsense thing or the other. Show us. Because it's so much confusing that you people created a propaganda. You created a story that you want to use to tarnish the image of Biafran government and the Prime Minister himself. Especially the image of the declaration on 2nd of this December. You people are finding some things that you will use, make sure say, yeah, we do something that Simon Ekpa and the Biafran government, they will not get it easy. And all of you people were trying, everybody was, Simon Ekpa spent only 2 days. He did not tweet. This was the biggest opportunity for the IPOB Nigeria to strike. And you people strike. You bring it on. You cook story. You bring the story and post it. Start sharing it. Start being happy, jubilating about it. I'm so much happy about it that Simon Ekpa have been arrested and he's on his way straight to prison. That they not even question him. There's nothing like question and answer. According to you people, the so-called the DOS, Emeka Gift, according to all of you people, Biafran chat and watch, all of you people were the one that were sharing this news. But now it's so much ashaming that people like Emeka Gift, because I know how many of Emeka Gift posts about the Biafra Prime Minister. I know how many. If Emeka Gift did not delete some of the junk he write about Biafra Prime Minister, if you do not delete it, people should go and check his page. You will see how many posts he make about the Biafra Prime Minister. But right now, within a 9 hour now, he's now doing a U-turn. See what he's writing here. Just look at what he's writing. That the Biafra Prime Minister was faking his arrest. As if the Biafra Prime Minister came and announced that he was arrested, or anybody in Biafran government cabinet, or the cabinet member, or the Biafran government in exile, the ministers, or anybody in Biafran government that have came up and say, yes, so Sam Ekpa have been arrested. Because what people are actually claiming now is one of the stupidest things that people would have ever claimed or think of, or even thinking of writing or saying in public. Because every one of us will watch you people free talk about the Biafra Prime Minister, write about him, castigate him, how is this, how he's not going to return from this, how is this one is the last one. The so-called the Finland, they have caught him, and this one is the last one. He's going to see, he's going to enjoy this one. There is nothing you would not write about Simon Ekpa. With only 2 days, this man did not tweet. All of people were so much confused. To the extent you were writing, you were talking, you were doing one thing or nothing you people did not do. But right now, all of people are doing U-turn within a short of time. That Simon Ekpa have been faking his arrest. And that is what I'm trying to let every one of people to know, that Simon Ekpa never came up and tell you, say, I was arrested. The Biafran government official never came up and write anywhere that Simon Ekpa had been arrested. There's no any cabinet member of Biafran government in exile or the ministers in Biafran government in exile that have came up and write anything about Simon Ekpa arrest. Nobody. So if you people and the so-called the doers who have cooked your propaganda and it did not work for you people should enjoy it. But let me tell you one thing you people did. One thing you people did that is so much mounting, and most of us we are happy for it, is that you people actually promote the 2nd December Biafra declaration. You people actually promote it massively, and every one of us we are happy for you people for what people have did standing to promote Biafra. Because you see, sometimes you people will be doing some stupid things. You think that what you are doing is actually stupid for the Biafrans. Whenever you are doing stupid, that thing God will actually turn it for the good for the Biafrans. Look at the way you people promote December 2nd that is coming up. You will promote it with your propaganda. You promote it to the next level. Look at it today. Every mouth is writing, speaking, confessing, talking about Biafra, December 2nd. Everybody. Will you people believe that even Biafra child want Chineke? Let me tell you people something. I want you to get one thing about this broadcast. Do you people know that these people that you see them talking trash about Biafran government? Sometimes you will see them talking as if some of them have claimed, just somebody like Biafra child Chineke have claimed that he's going to turn to terrorists. This day Simon Ekpa will be the one to bring Biafra, and this day Simon Ekpa will be the part of the people that is going to restore Biafra. He's going to turn to a terrorist, that a blocker, whatever English he use. He said it. But let me tell you one thing today. I want you to understand that you see all these people that is actually telling you, we're waiting for December 2nd. It be real, that is the fact. Real fact, they are waiting. Real fact. All of them, from the so-called the toppers, the doers down, all of them are waiting for the December 2nd. And let me shock you. These people, so many of them participated in Biafran self-referendum. I swear to God, I'm telling you. You see these people, some of them that you see today. Some of them you see today gallivanting how Biafran government is not doing anything. Some of them participated in this. You see this self-referendum that is still ongoing. Some of them participated. Even some of them use fake pages, writing some of us that we want to do voting. I know how many people the so-called were DOS member. We are so-called aftermath Naka. I know how many people me personally I encounter with my media, with most of platform I have. I know how many I encounter, and when I see them, when I investigate them, question them, at the end of the day, it be the same people like the people that will be making noise, talking bullshit on social media. They are the same people that will be coming up. I mean, they participated, but the same people will come out and sit down on the screen, telling you how Simon Ekpa is criminal, telling you how Simon Ekpa is not doing anything. Whereas them, that you see them telling you that we are waiting for December 2nd is actually real fact. Real fact, they are waiting for the December 2nd. Why some of them participated in all the whole thing Biafran government is doing. So many of them have even paid money to participate with what Biafran government is doing. Some of them have even what did they call it? Invest in all Biafran government have put out there. Some of them have already invested. I'm telling you people truth. But they will come up on screen, making noise, talking one thing or the other, telling you how the Afghan government, how Simon Ekpa is this, Simon Ekpa is that. But these people are actually telling you the real fact. You see, whenever they come up and tell you, say, we are here by, we are talking about this, they are actually telling you the real fact. Somebody like Biafran Chad Machinik, he will tell you that we are waiting for December 2nd. These people are waiting for December 2nd for real. They are not telling you lie. But because of their propaganda and what they have been doing, they will bring it, and you, the gullible one, you think they are the same people you know. Why so many of these people are already investing in all Biafran government put out there? Look at the IOU. So many of them have invested already. So many of them have invested in all Biafran government have put out there for Biafran citizens. So many of them have invested. And they will come up and stay on the screen lying to you, telling you one foolish story or the other. Then you will sit down somewhere. If you know the DOS, nothing concerns me. But the people so-called, if you know the DOS, the same people that will be telling you story, they have already participated in all this. So many of them that you see today have participated in all this self-referendum. Some of them is already have already contacted the Afghan government in how to go by their ID card. I know how many of them will say, oh, my brother, this ID card and this self-referendum, how are we going to go about it? When I try to approach them, when I try to ask them some questions, my brother, at the end of the day, it be somebody where you know already that have been here ranting, talking one shit or the other. It be somebody already that was here talking one foolish thing or the other. They are all the same people. But they will come and stand on screen deceiving so many of Biafrans. And you know what? I pity most of you people that are listening to all this gullible, because you are going to regret it. Then they will come and tell you the story. Why they are doing something out there. See, let me tell you. You see all these people. You think they are if you know the US, you see all these people. They have already participated in every single thing Biafran government put out there. They have participated already. And you know what? When the time comes, the only thing they are going to do is plead. Biafran government forgive us. We never know it was real. We never know that you people are doing it real. And we never know that what you people are doing where you were doing it real. And that is the end. It's going to end like that. Because Biafran government understand that the citizens, Biafran government understand that we are in a democratic world where the citizens of any nation can come out and say whatever I like. You can even choose not to be part of Biafra. But the most beautiful, most surprising is that the people telling others how not to participate in what Biafran government is doing is already participating. Is already doing something. By you will be moron, sit somewhere. They say they are not doing it right, so don't participate too. That is my own. So understand this, that any day, anytime in your life, you know very well that what you have is not what you have is not what people want. My brother, leave it. It's not going to help you. All this propaganda, all these people are bring within 2 days. All of them are now the one debunking it. All of them are now the one debunking it. Nobody is, you know one thing about what just happened with the Biafra Prime Minister case. You people have done amazing job. And that is not all. The same time, the Biafran people that were listening to you people have seen how daft you people are. You know, sometimes God will use something that must sound stupid, something that must sound like it be nothing. Sometimes God will use it to actually improve some people mentality. You see what just happened with the Biafra Prime Minister issue? A lot of Biafran people have gotten sense within a short of time, within 3 days. Many Biafrans that never believed in Simon Ekpa, that never want to listen to Simon Ekpa. I'm telling you, within 2 days now, I know how many people that have write on most of the page I handle. My brother, even now we actually see the DOS, they are not doing anything. My brother, how are we going to vote? How are we going to do this? How are we going to participate? All of them are, you see, throughout yesterday, I swear to God, yesterday, I slept before, almost to 5. Since yesterday, I was helping people, my brother, because you know why? On the 28th of this month, the self-referendum is going to shut down. The Afghan government is going to shut it down. And nobody knows when they are going to uplift it. So, with all these things that is happening, I can tell you that within 2 days of the so-called Prime Minister this, Prime Minister that, according to the DOS, according to their members, their online ERAT, I can tell you that a lot of Biafran people have getting sense that they never got all these years. And that is the reason why God is amazing God. Everything that happens sometimes happen for reason. Anything, you see this life, it's just that when something happens, it depends us. Why is this happen? But at the same time, if you reason it, if sometimes you sit your ass, you sit somewhere quietly, think about it, why is this, and meditate in it, you will find out that God have used that particular thing to do something big upon your life. But it is all part of life. That why is this thing happening? But calm down, reason it. Because this Biafra Prime Minister of issue, he's arrested, he's on his way to prison. My brother, this issue have opened a lot of Biafran people eye. A lot of people. Because the news of Biafra Prime Minister was arrested was coming from the so-called the Iraq. They were the one that announced it. Because I know there's no Biafran government anywhere that came up and announced Biafra Prime Minister arrest. No Biafran government that came up, no cabinet member, no ministers, nobody, not even the medias, nobody. Everybody I was on the 2nd December. Everybody I, even right now, everybody I. If you call any cabinet member, if you call any cabinet Biafran government cabinet member, if you call any of them, ask them question, what they will tell you is say December 2nd is where our ID.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Please, I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. Do well, make sure you share this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Support this platform by joining our membership also. Thank you so much, and see you when I see you. For now, bye.